Okay, I had an error. I've been having a lot of video errors lately, and I did not properly record the video in which I made the high score functionality. It's still a little buggy, but I'm mostly happy with this project, and I just wanted to run through it real quick and see if there's any major bugs that we should go back and fix. Otherwise, I'm going to leave this series and try something else after this, and probably another video demonstrating how it works on multiple platforms, not just it's Linux, but also Windows and Mac. So I'm going to go ahead and just run this and show you how it works. Right now the high score is set to 0. That was a bug. It's actually not perpetuating the high score across multiple uses, but after I get the high score from this game, if I roll into another game, it will keep that high score, and then it will only update the high score from the second game if the second game score was higher than the first game. So it properly keeps track of the high score within one use, but I think it's deleting the file once you close the program or something. I'll try and address that, but that's kind of a minor issue. So I'm going through this, trying to combine numbers, and I'm probably not going to show you the whole thing going through this. I'm going to get as far as I can, and then once I'm stuck, I will come back and show that the high score carries over. Okay, I'm probably close to the end here unless I really clear something up here. There we go, 73,078. And now you can see that the high score remains, and then my new score is building for this game. So that is all for this demonstration. I'm probably going to put this together in an episode with a demonstration of it on Windows and on Macintosh. Okay, here we are. You can see that I have my virtual machine in the background, but I'm actually on Windows. The machine that I'm usually on in the videos is actually a virtual machine on a Windows host. And this right here is the same bin folder we've been working with. I haven't changed anything. It's the same file. We compiled all the classes and then put them in this jar file. I don't have to do anything to get it to be separately executable on Windows. So if I just double click this, the same program presents itself. So that's one of the cool things about Java. Their slogan of write once, run anywhere is currently holding true. I wrote this all in a text file in Linux, and it's running perfectly fine without any adjustment out of the jar file on my Windows host. Okay, so it did not work on the Macintosh. That is not an indictment of Java. That is an indictment of the Java version on Mac and my willingness to fight with it to update it, because it's not really I don't really use it for anything except for watching videos, and it's mostly our family computer. So I'm not gonna make too much of a fight about trying to get it to work there. Kind of disappointed that it didn't work automatically, but there's something messed up about that computer. So it works on Windows, works on Linux. I'm going to try it on possibly another virtual machine, but I expect it to work as long as I have the right Java version. So this will be the end of that series. I want to come back later and do something a little bit more organized with something else.